How to fix Roblox avatar not loading. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser. And once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for roblox.com. And once you search for it, when you tap on this three line and then tap on avatar, and you might see that your avatar preview is not loading. Now, in order to fix this issue, you want to go ahead and tap on settings icon, tap on logout. But before you log out, you want to make sure that you know the password of your main account. Once you tap on logout, you want to go ahead and log into your new account. If you don't have your new account, you can simply tap on sign up and then create a new account. So once you're logged into your new account, go ahead and tap on this three line, tap on avatar, and if you see your avatar preview right over here, it means that the issue has been solved. So once you solve the issue, you want to go ahead and log out from this account that you have just created and then simply log back into your main account. So go ahead and log into your main account and then you'll then be able to load your avatar. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.